Critical library mismatch involving the licensed library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'll help you get your PC back to a stable state. Before starting the detailed licensed library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the licensed library, a generic licensing support module name used by many proprietary software packages to manage activation, entitlement validation, and DRM handshakes. It typically handles cryptographic license checks and online verification routines. If missing or corrupted, the host application may demand reactivation or refuse startup due to failed license validation. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Since Licensed Library DLL is an embedded part of the localized licensing orchestration architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the licensed library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Safety first. Never attempt to replace licensed library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to licensed library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored licensed library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.